Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 4 in the 12 Days of Christmas Nail Art, we're going to be working on these Dotticure Stars. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat, and today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using for this manicure are from Orly. The Blurple is Opposites Attract, which is actually a magnetic polish, although I'm not going to be magnetizing it. And then I'll be doing the Stars with Fluidity, which is from their new Futurism collection, which I did receive as PR. I have a small lid that I'm going to use to put out a little bit of silver polish. And then to make the stars, I'm going to be using a couple different dotting tools. And for the larger stars, I'm going to pull out the edges into a kind of a light flare. Finally, I'm going to finish it off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. This wasn't quite the original plan. I was going to have a larger star made up of dots, but I really like the way the smaller and more sparse stars turned out. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time because the silver is quite sparkly and even has a little bit of hollow in it. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for days 3 and 4, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. Or if you'd like to hang out live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support my content creation here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member and get some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.